Talaga si Bibi Sara.
The Vice President, Honorable Sara Sierra. So to start, we'll start first with our colleagues from the international media. Okay, so we do have a couple of lists coming from international and local media in the Philippines. So we'll start with Biori Media. Go ahead, sir. Please ask the questions.
The question are here.
No, you can ask the questions.
No, but the problem is, I cannot.
Okay. So the question from Biori Media. Have you seen your father and what is his condition and how is he being treated?
Yes, I saw him yesterday in the afternoon. We visited him for 1 hour. I was with my mother. And he's doing okay physically. He's well taken care of by the medical staff of the ICC detention unit, and we thank them for that. And he was in good spirits, and he extended his message to the Filipino community by saying that destiny guides us, and he is there because of destiny, whether rightly or wrongly.
The second question from Biori Media. The prosecutor who led your father's arrest has resigned. How much faith do you have that your father will receive a fair trial in The Hague?
Well, we still give our trust to the judges and the courts. However, we have received reports from early on, from the year 2023, about the tampering of witness by investigators who went to the Republic of the Philippines, and that is precisely the reason why we wrote the president at the time asking him on his position on the ICC investigations. But we still give our trust, our full trust to the judges and the ICC court that they will be fair and that they will be unbiased and that they will be objective in assessing all the petitions.